Hello friends, good morning. My name is Krishna Lodhial. I am an insurance and investment advisor. In this video, today I am going to discuss about a recent news which is very important to all of you. What I believe that you must aware about what former RBI governor is stating about the current market situation in India. Especially this news is based on the bank insurance, means banks are doing business in insurance. So former RBI governor Mr. Bimal Jalan has sent a tweet. You can simply visit his Twitter account and you can see the tweet. Let me read this tweet first of all, then I will explain what he want to say about bank insurance. The tweet says, he sent the first tweet on 31st of May. He said, banking in India was supposed to be the supporting pillar of the economy. It has leveraged the Indian financial system for decades. Banking was pure until the bank insurance came into the picture. I think the biggest mistake it has happened with the working of bank is selling insurance. Do you believe? I'm not saying, this is not my statement. This is the statement of former RBI governor Mr. Bimal Jalan, who was governor of Reserve Bank of India, I think by 2003. If I'm not wrong, you may Google for more information, but he was the former governor of RBI, and I regularly follow his each and every tweets because he's from the finance departments. So the first tweet he did send on 31st of May, he said banking in India was supposed to be the supporting pillar of economy. Means the banking plays major important role in our India to support the Indian economy. And he said it is leveraged the Indian financial systems for decades. He want to say that this all the banks, whoever banks are running in India, they are the most important pillars to support Indian economy. But he said banking was pure until the bank insurance came into the picture. See, bank is a bank, insurance company is something different, and bank is something different. For example, let me make you very clear. For example, you want to become a businessman, all right, you have clear mindset that you want to become a businessman, but due to some kind of selfishness or due to some kind of just to earn some little bucks, you start selling something which is not related to your business. So what will happen if you have two doors open in front of you? What will happen? You will go from one door and you will come back from the second one, then you will go back from the second one, then you will come return from the first one. What will the situation? The situation will very pathetic. Completely your business mindset will go down. You may not be able to become a successful businessman, or if you're selling something, you may not be able to become a successful salesperson then. So Bimal Jalan also stating the same thing. He said banking was pure until the bank insurance came into the picture. Bank is different thing, insurance company is different thing. Insurance business is a profitable business, I agree, but bank is not made for insurance. Insurance company is made for insurance. When banks started to sell insurance for the purpose of earning money, so banks started introducing insurance policies for the customers in India. That was the main mistake in India to let down the Indian economy. What he said, banking was pure until the bank insurance came into the picture. He said, I think the biggest mistake has happened with the working banks is selling insurance. Straightforward, he said that banks, if banks are selling insurance, this is the actual biggest mistake of banks to sell insurance. That is maybe one of the reason that most of the famous large banks are filing bankruptcy. You may have examples of PNB, you may have examples of IDBI, you may have examples of one of the PMC bank, if I'm not wrong, from Maharashtra. There are a lot of examples, and the mistake of selling insurance by the banks is one of them. Post 31st of May, he sent another tweet on June 1st. What he said, banks should never have bank insurance in India. See, this is not my statement, be frankly. You can simply visit his tweet and you can see what he has written on his own words. He stated banks should never have bank insurance in India. He said, I remember Raghuram Rajan has set up a committee in this context in 2016. This committee recommended penalty to banks giving commissions with immediate effect while boarding IRDA. Can you imagine what is the pathetic situation in India which is happening nowadays? Recently I sold an amazing insurance policy which had a sum assured of 30 lakh rupees, and my client is an assistant manager in a reputed company. But the main objection that I got was from SDFC Jeevan Sanchay Plus policy, and she showed me the quotation the SDFC guys given to her. So I made very clear what is the difference between life insurance corporation policies and what is the main parts of that particular policy. I'm not against with any insurance companies which is running privately. I completely agree with the statement of Mr. Bimal Jalan, what he said. I strongly recommend people not to buy insurance policies from any particular bank, no matter whether it is nationalized bank, no matter whether it is Indian bank, no matter whether it is anything. If you want to buy a pure insurance policy, I'll strongly recommend everyone to visit Life Insurance Corporation of India or any properly wholesale insurance company, because this is the very big mistake that is happening in India, that banks are in bank insurance business and they are completely digressing from their own business, which is bank business. That's all from today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like, if you have any shares, insights, go ahead and put your comments. I will update you shortly. Thank you so much.